When you look at this layout switching from mobile to desktop, it looks simple. But when you actually start implementing it, you quickly run into problems. Many developers end up duplicating HTML elements and hiding them with display none for different breakpoints. That works, but it's not clean. In this video, I will show you how to build this layout using CSS Grid without duplicating any HTML and keeping the code clean and scalable. Let's start with the HTML. We have inside our main header a brand icon, an H2 title, a 3 dots button, and a paragraph. We'll build this mobile first, then adapt it to desktop using CSS. On mobile, you might think we can wrap the icon, the title, and the button in a div and use Flexbox. But if you look at the desktop design, the paragraph needs to start exactly under the title, not under the icon. That's why CSS Grid is the best choice here. The first 32 pixels is for the icon, the one FR is for the title, and the last 32 pixels is for the button. Paragraph should take the full width. Now let's style the title to match the design. We also add spacing between elements. And to align elements properly on mobile, we add to main header align items N, because the icon and the H2 should align in the bottom vertically, while we should add the align self to the button because it should align in the center. Now let's move to the desktop. First, we make the icon bigger and increase spacing. And we add the align items flex start because we want the text to start from the very top of the icon. Then we update the title. And on desktop, the paragraph should start exactly under the title. So we add grid count from 2 to n. But as you see, the P, it looks separate from the H2 because the icon will make the height of the first row. To fix that, here's the trick. We make the icon span the 2 rows. So the H2 and the 3 points icon is who decide the first row height. So the P take place just under them and after the row gap. And that's it. A clean responsive layout using CSS Grid. No duplicating HTML, no hacks. If you enjoyed this approach, like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, inshallah.